Yo, the Gay or Gangster Part 2. I was really prepared for most of the response I thought that I would probably get from Gay or Gangster. But I really wasn't going to say nothing until I got this one particular one, and that one kind of like, what? I really didn't expect anybody necessarily gay to respond, but this one brother who was gay responded, and I ain't gonna lie, I was like, here we go. So anyway, whatever he said, he broke it down. He was like, I really was about to blow up on you. I was gonna bomb you on this and that about being gay. He said, I kind of really heard what you said, then had to be like, yo, I kind of respect that. I can't knock it. I feel what you were saying, and I was gonna tell you to watch this one video, but then I really heard what you said, so I was kind of like, I let it go. I was like, damn, for real, like, okay, so you was ready to bomb me. All right, cool. You caught yourself. You reevaluated, and then what you was... Now, I got to go check the video out, so I popped to his website, boop, and I see he got this video out called Eye Candy. So I'm like, what? I'm about to go, well, let me go and watch it. So I'm watching. I said, let me listen to what he's talking about from his point of view. So he started talking about eye candy, right? So then I called my wife, and I'm like, hey, babe, come here. I want you to listen to what this dude is saying about eye candy, right? And so he over there like basically the lyrics he talking about, man, like y'all dudes is killing me. Y'all walking around with y'all pants down. It ain't nothing but eye candy. I don't know if you with me or not. I'm looking for a wink or wop, wop, wop. It's eye candy. And I'm like, I couldn't really get it until I put it in my form of thought of heterosexualism. So I'm like, all right, hold on, let me see what he's saying. Oh, so it's really like, okay, if it was, I was talking to my boy Fex, I'm like, Fex, imagine if, we walking around, how we be looking, man, what if just everybody walking around in bikinis, man? All them broads walking, you be like, oh, look at that, ooh. Well, to y'all, the dudes who walk around with y'all pants down, to them, y'all walking around eye candy, y'all walking around with bikinis on, homie. That's what your revolution is about. That's what your rebel is about. Like, that's the thing that gets me, like, I'm all for rebellion. I'm down for me. I'm all down for being unique. I'm down for making your own statement. But it's just like, when everybody pull their pants down, it's kind of like, it's played out, right? The statement, like when I say, yo, dog, like, why you wear your pants down? You should be able to tell me something, I think, or if I tell you, hey, man, look, my little daughter's 8, man, like, I don't want her to see a grown man's underwear, even if you call him clean, and I don't know what to tell her. Like, I don't say, well, you see, in America there's racism, there's prejudice, and they be down on the black man, so I guess he gonna wear his pants down to show him. Well, daddy, what they showing him? I don't know. I guess, I don't know how I give you a hand. Maybe they saying, America, kiss my ass. But I just hope she don't say, well, daddy, but America's not watching. I'm watching, and my little friends are watching. And this is what we see men to be. This is what I'm supposed to grow up to hope that I get. And my son, this is what he's supposed to grow up and emulate. I mean, I am his role model, no doubt. But he looks as men in a group for a role model too, Why should I be unique? I don't want to be unique. I feel like I'm part of a great culture and a great people. I want to be common. I don't want to be unique. But if dropping standards of being a man and presenting myself as a man, if I have to drop those standards so that I don't remain unique, then I guess I have to stay unique in my son's and in my daughter's eyes. But I want to ask y'all, so if you rebelling, man, is there a more intelligent way to rebel? Is there a more intelligent way to express your individuality or your frustrations? Is there a better way that we can all become common men and represent ourselves as such? So, I mean, that's my question, I guess, and my response. So that's my feeling on Gay or Gangster if you really want to know. If you don't, it's cool too.